First remove the baffle of the finishing wire structure, then unscrew the screw on the far right. Next use a 7mm socket to remove the two retaining nuts. Then press and hold the blue spring pad to remove the two pipes. After the tube is taken out, take out the Phillips screw driver. Use it to unscrew all 3 screws inside. When tightening the screws inside, need to break this apart first. Align the screw after splitting it, and then screw it. When the 3 screws on the outside are all unscrewed, you can take out the tail wire motor. Then use the K-Y to open the side door. After opening, you can see that there are 4 wires here. After removing all 4, the motor can be removed after unplugging the power cord. Then replace with new motor. Put it back in this hole first, then use a Phillips screwdriver. Fix these 3 screws to it. After fixing, reattach both tubes back together. Just insert the tube directly in. After inserting, take out the previous nut. Put it in the sleeve first, then align the studs and tighten the nuts. Remove the screw after tightening, and fix the baffle. Then put T-key cover back on. Next, find the wire corresponding to the motor, and plug them back in by color, red to red, yellow on yellow. Install it after plugging it back in.